Hello kids, in today's session we're going to do minus 2's big friend's formula. Minus 2's big friend's formula is minus 10 plus 8. Okay, let's add a 10. Okay, I have to do minus 2. Obviously I can't do small friends, no 5 here to do minus 5 plus 3. So minus 2's big friend's formula, minus 10 plus 8. Clear? Now I'll make you do a hard question, then we'll do an easy one. Okay, at 7, minus 3 I have to do now. Minus 3, how can I do? I'm stuck. Minus 3 small friend formula. Minus 5 plus 2. I want to add a 6 now. Plus 6. Small friends, I can't. Small friends, there are no small friends for 6. Big friends. Plus 10 minus 4. Now I have to do minus 2. Minus 2 I just learned. Minus 10 plus 8. Clear? Okay. Now let's do an easy one. I added 11. Okay. I added 5. I added 2. I did minus 7. I have to do minus 8. Minus 2. Minus 2's big friend's formula. Minus 10 plus 8. Clear? Okay. I'll see you in the next video with more questions and our new formula. Okay. See you. Bye bye. If you have any doubts, drop in the comment section.